and welcome to this accordion tutorial. I'm Lucy and today we're learning this wonderful Russian folk song. It is in the key of A minor and the time signature is 2/4, so there will be 2 beats in every bar. I've set my metronome to 52 beats per minute, so you will hear a click on every beat. You will need to have the following chords available on your accordion to play this particular arrangement. I've got it listed on the screen, so just stop and have a look and make sure that you've got this available to you. I've broken this up into 4 sections, and to start, you want your left hand to be ready to play an A minor chord. So you can find C first and move up past G, past D, up to A, or alternatively you can find E, that should also be marked on your accordion, and go 1 row down. With your right hand, you want to put your second finger on A. All right, let's begin. congratulations on making it this far. You may need to revisit certain sections that you found more difficult than others just to go over them until you feel confident with them. This is a very short piece of music, so I usually repeat it a few times. You can play around with the different switches that you have available on your accordion, maybe even throw in a foot tambourine, and maybe even play with the tempo. You can accelerate through the song, or you can just keep a steady tempo. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this, if you learnt anything from it at all, please let me know in the comments, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you can be here for the next video. Bye!